Hi guys, this is Gamer6533. I'm playing some Hypixel today, and yes, I'll be filming with my cousin. He has a YouTube channel, guys. Please subscribe to him. Whoa, this is cool. His name is Creeper456. And guys, please can you subscribe to my channel? Please hit the notification bell, like the video. Then I will also link the server below. Okay guys? So please guys, can you subscribe to my channel? We put awesome videos. I promise. And yes, today we are going live. I promise guys. If you like the video, we're going live for you guys. Today we're playing some Hypixel Bed Wars 4v4v4. I don't know why I just like 4v4v4. Okay, got some 9 ingots. Let's go to the item shop. What is this? Then go here. Got how much I need. Now we're going back. We're going to kill some people. We have a protection. See? Right there. This is a really big house, guys. Nobody can kill us. It's a really big one. We already killed the yellow. Yeah, we already killed the yellow, guys. So please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's get started. Yeah, you can build. Go build. Keep building. Thank you. We always put good videos for you guys. And I promise, we will go live today. I promise, guys. Please, guys, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like the video. Okay, guys. This guy's keep stealing my stuff. This is good. Nobody got our stuff. Good job. Okay, that's good enough. Let's get out. Go in the item shop. Get a sword. Go here. Get get. That's good enough. I guess, guys. I have so much iron. That's why I have so much iron ingots. That's why I got so much stuff. Okay, let's go to the emerald to get a diamond sword. Where's the stairs? Good. Yes, one emerald. One emerald. I have to hide here. Do something. Content right here. Yes. Today. That was good. Ooh, yes. We need one more. Wait, how much do on trap in the green team? We have to check out what are we? Red. Yes. Where's red? Where's red? We have to go to red. Yes, it said 3 emeralds. 3. We need one more. Is there? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, that's good. Now let's go to red and purchase the diamond sword. Oh no, guys, the blue is coming. I have to run. No! I died. The diamond sword is very powerful, so I had to get it. Okay, this is enough stuff. Yes, good. No. Yeah. Good. Sword. Good. I got this. Now I have to go get emeralds. No. No. Get them. No, we died. Guys. Game over. Subscribe to Creeper456, my cousin. Yes, please. Can you subscribe, guys, to him? He's also a good YouTuber. He's my cousin. Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell to him. And like his videos. What are you doing? Oh, I like his skin, right, guys? Comment down below if you like that skin. Comment down what is his name. It is Hypixel Gamer. Comment down his name, guys. Okay, guys? Comment down his name. Hypixel Gamer. If you like his skin. The skin is that skin is cool too. I have this skin, some play skin, the fire logo. Okay, when is this game gonna start? Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this game is starting. Get on. Get on my face. Yes, yesterday I did upload a video. You can guys go watch on my channel. I did upload. We have to win this one. Okay, that's good. Wait, I need one more. Okay, that's good. We have more. Yeah, I purchased that. Over here, get some. Okay, good. I need two. There's a lot. Okay. That's good. That's enough, guys. Can let nobody come out of bed. I thought I was gonna take full damage. You have to make it super secure. Oh no. Hey, get up! No, we died. I hope they didn't get out of bed. That's good. They didn't get out of bed. If they did, that would be not good. I'm new to Java, so I don't know that much. Okay, let's get some wool to protect. Let's get some wool. I will need 3 more. Ooh, that was good. Get some more. Only 4 more. Ooh, that's good too. Get more. I don't know, get stuff more. Ooh, that's good. see it? That's good. Sorry for the loud noise, guys. Sorry. Wait, the bed is not protected! They almost got it. But that's good. We're here. The yellow. The blue guy. There's so many people here. 4v4v4. I don't know why I do it like 4v4. Took some damage. Move. Check win. I'm just building random. What are you doing? What is this guy doing? That was weird, guys. The other guy was trying to. No. You! Bro! What are you doing? We're protecting the bed. We're protecting the bed. Thank you. Thank you. What is this for? We don't need to take full damage. No. Let's stress set off. That's good. Now we just need 3 emeralds. Let's go get 3 emeralds. Because for the diamond sword. Yes, we'll need diamond sword. Who's that? No! I died. We're gonna win. I'm gonna go out. Get the emerald. That's good. 1 emerald. Check. I just need 2 more emeralds. Is there one here? Let's check. Please, guys, subscribe. Again? Oh, because I have a wooden sword. A wooden sword is not good. A wooden sword is not good. Okay, we have some. Let's go here. Pick a ball. Good. Oh, we need more. Okay. Good. Okay, we'll take some gold. When gold comes here, I will take it. Oh, yes, gold. Okay, another gold. Gold. More. I need 1 more gold. Let's see. 1 more gold. 1 more gold. Yes, we got 1 more gold. Now we can get a iron sword. Go here. That's good. I got some clay. Burning clay. You got some yellow sand. Nope, wrong way. Please, guys, can you subscribe to us? Me and my brother. Thank you. Thank you, guys.